Hi, I'm Joel Vineyard, and this is my sister Tiffany Wheelis, and we, along with our dad Paul Vineyard, are the owners of Bubbas Cooks Country.
We are so excited to introduce you to our new Bubbas location on Preston Road in Frisco, Texas. In designing the look of Bubbas, we were inspired by many of the same elements you find in an old Art Deco diner.
Bubbas is special not only because we make everything from scratch each and every day, but also because at Bubbas we serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner 7 days a week.
For breakfast, we serve a traditional country breakfast with eggs cooked to order, homemade cinnamon rolls, pancakes, blueberry muffins with bacon and sausage. Or you can try our chicken and waffle breakfast made with our chicken tenders on a Belgian waffle. We're so proud of our chicken and waffle plate that we serve it all day long.
At lunch and dinner, we feature fried chicken, chicken fried steak, fried catfish, grilled or fried chicken tenders. We also have homemade yeast rolls, cornbread, and a wide variety of vegetables, of which some rotate daily.
This is more like my home away from home. I love the food, I love the atmosphere, I love Bubbas. And now they can't get rid of me.
Yeast rolls were delicious.
They were fabulous. My favorite, and the grilled chicken tender.
And the barbecue sauce is to die for.
For desserts at Bubbas, we have banana pudding, cherry cobbler, and our special apricot fried pie. Like everything else, these items are made fresh in-house daily.
There's never a dull moment, and so it's just so exciting and fun, and we actually enjoy coming to work.
They're really incredible. Nobody else does it like Bubbas.
We'd love you to come in and dine with us, or you can go through our drive-thru and never have to get out of your car. Plus, we can even cater your breakfast, lunch, or dinner event, whether it's a family get-together or a company party. Whatever you do, just come and see us.
See you at Bubbas!